All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. So gather, 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 to collect, collect, and bring together. Yeah, sometimes categorize things. So to gather. So gather. Yeah. I will gather these kinds of flowers. He should gather his family together. How? Well, she wants to gather all her friends. Yeah, she wants to gather all her friends for a party, perhaps for a party. It will mean that we all need to gather around it. Yes, I, he, she, it. They want us to gather around him. Gather round me. Gather round me. Yeah, gather around me. Yeah. Very good. Gather around me. How cool is that? So, I will gather all the pieces of trash. Can you gather? Oh, let's change that. Can you gather the fruit? Can you gather all the fruit? We need to gather all these pieces of anything. Pieces of metal, for example. Metal. Have you spent years gathering all those books? Yes, I have spent a long time gathering these books. All these books over the years. They're gathered together. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Did you gather these by yourself? Did you gather these? Gather these by yourself? Maybe. Yeah. I had some help gathering all the pieces. Okay, very good. I'm gathering new ideas for lessons. Yeah, I have a list. I have a big list, and I'm always gathering new ideas and adding them to the list. Gathering ideas all the time. How cool is that? When will you have gathered all the parts? When will you have gathered all the parts? Yeah. It will take a while to gather all the parts because we don't know where they are. We don't know where they are. Yeah. All the parts are all over the place. So it'll take a long time to gather all the parts together. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, gather. Now, can you use gather in a sentence? Can you use it and write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And on Udemy too, when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, whoops. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.